Select exists versus limit 1. I see select exists used a lot like versus what I prefer. Which one is preferred and why? PS, I am using Python and PostgresQL. My point is, why getting a row from the result and check if its first column is true, if I can just check if there are any rows at all, meaning the same.
PostgresQL seems to clever enough to treat both statements alike, as you can clearly see in your execution plans. My test with a local table with 150,000 rows and 100 selected out of that by the condition also show the same behavior. The bottom line is, it doesn't really matter which one you use, but you should be aware that other DBMS might not behave in the same way.
To my eye, the second statement is problematic in that it will not return a row if the condition is not satisfied.
When you use explain, you can see that the first statement will execute an additional subquery, and the second does not. That is why I would prefer using limit instead of exists. Example: